What's up, guys? Today we are playing Dandy's World, and you saw my previous. I suck being Finn. Oh my god! But yet I feel like Rudy is better. Tell me in the comments, is Rudy better? Skill check. Skill check's better.
Oh my god, I need ginger!
Stamina 2. Rudy stamina 3. Stealth 3. Nah, Rudy's better. Why did I spend my freaking money on this guy? Actually, I'll be this guy. I'll try to survive one more round of being this guy. I think I'll do it. I think I can do it. Oh my god. Plus, I kinda like Rudy more than Finn, but I just bought him and then, yeah, I'm addicted to Finn. That's in the sus way. Let me just play that. Okay, I'm ready. Everybody get ready. I'm buying. Yeah, I'm buying this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Which are the... Huh? Move. Okay. Skill check. Boxing skill check. Okay. Better skill check. Stamina. Good. Okay. Stamina weak as hell. Extraction speed. 3. Okay. Oh my god. I didn't even get in that. It seems like everything's good. Dang, his stamina runs so fast. But I think I have stamina management. I learned it from my cousin. Oh, so it's the twisted. So it's the twisted. No, not that twisted. Yeah, like that clock twisted. Oh my god, Cosmo. Should I just...
Hello, Kuya Sci-Fi!
Bruh. Am I done? You're never... How can you catch me if you don't know where I am? I'm gonna try to be friends with this guy. Say what's up, buddy? What's up? Oh my god. Okay, no, speed management, stamina management. I keep forgetting my stamina management. What's up, guy? You wanna know a trick? I know a trick. Just stay. Come on, bro. Wait, I'm just gonna be here until it's 3. You're not alone, buddy. True, I'm here. I'm gonna be your friend. Gonna be your friend. Oh my god, it's 3. Well, see ya, brother. I'm gone. Run. Then I ran the opposite way. Then why did you get chased by your own kind? Elevator. Oh my god. Elevator. Oh my god. I don't know where the elevator is. Elevator, no. Right there. This is the pro. Oh my god. Where is the elevator? Of course. You just had to do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. So far. Wait, no, never mind. Wait, no, this is far. I'm coming. Come on, bro. I'm sorry. Bye-bye, Clockman, whoever you are. I'm not. Why did you get chased by this guy's kind? By this guy's kind. Bruh. Okay, set 3 HP. Why are you doing that? Bruh. Can't get the capsule. Plus, I'm an extractor.
Oh, I can't see anything.
I don't know what she did to do. Research. Wait, did I get... It's kinda good for speed. Though his stamina is god low. Okay, so there's one. There's Coney, I think, a ghost. To me, can you extract? You have 1 HP. Where's the extraction?
Just the thing.
That's his steads. Bruh. Bruh. Hee. Wait, I wanna know where she... Never mind.
Ew, what a dumb beatbox.
I'm just gonna... Yeah, it's... Oh my god. No, yeah, no, I'm not going in there. I'm just gonna skip to when we are in floor 5. Oh, wait, no, floor 4. Okay, guys, we're in floor 4. Sweet. Dandy. Give me something good. I don't know if these are even good or they're just but goody garbage. I don't even care. I don't even care.
Please say sorry.
Screw you.
Please say sorry.
Yes.
I like that avatar, the
Shut up!
Finn. No, I don't like Finn.
Rudy would be better for this map. Because he literally glows in the dark.
Okay.
You know. I'm gonna try my best. Try not to. Yes.
Finn. I like that. Gigi.
This one goes.
Ruben. Hello. Baby.
Who's dying?
That's me, I'm dying. Roger. Wait, Roger? Roger?
I'm just gonna skip the one I'm. Okay, time for another one. Oh my god, Poppy. I'm not even gonna do that anymore. Oh my god, I'm using my bandage. Heck no.
How do I have so much money? How do I have so much money? I can literally buy anything with this. No way. I have every.
Oh my god. Scared me. This is gonna be. Oh my god.
Wait, I don't have any.
Oh my. Well, this is gonna be the end for today. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.
I forgot
Bye-bye.
I had
Peace